Hi, this is Fizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to turn on safe browsing feature on Instagram. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. The safe browsing feature can help filter potentially inappropriate content or avoid accidentally clicking on suspicious or harmful links, which could lead to potential online security problems. For parents who monitor their children's activity on Instagram, safe browsing provides an additional layer of control to ensure that content viewed by children is safe. First of all, of course, we have to open our Instagram. Now you can tap on your profile. Tap on the three lines on the upper right corner over here. Tap on settings and privacy. You can scroll down until you find option website permission. Tap on that. Tap on browser settings. You can scroll down until you find there is an option safe website browsing. Turn on safe website browsing to get warnings when potentially unsafe sites might be trying to steal private information. Now you can tap on the toggle to activate the toggle. Tap on that like this. Now the safe website browsing is activated. So that is how to turn on safe website browsing feature on Instagram. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!